reinsert the lenses para ma-lessen, mas ano natin, mas ma-ensure natin na less likely na magkakaroon siya ng mucin balls. Kasi even if we do some re-wetting drops or we manage your patient's solution, if they are using these types of contact lenses, there are still chances that you have contact lens complications. So after lens removal, mucin balls that are not embedded rapidly blinked away. The residual embedded mucin balls and the fluid-filled pits generally resolve in a matter of hours. But in severe cases, embedded mucin balls may remain in the epithelium for up to 7 days. Mucin balls will reform again if silicon hydrogel lenswear is still recommended. Magkakaroon pa rin si patient if ever. So, that would be yung end naman ng discussion natin for this one. Do you have any questions for this one? Okay. If there are no questions, this will be your assignment also. Provide a discussion about the differential diagnosis of mucin balls. This will be a graded activity worth 50 points actually, hindi siya 20. The main criteria here is how you are able to differentiate mucin balls from the rest of yung complications. And this one is to be uploaded in the Google Classroom. Preferably this one is in PDF or doc file or MS Word is acceptable. Okay, so this will be for your assignment naman. And this will be sa ang deadline niya will be tomorrow then also. So Thursday. And if you are do you have other questions with this one also? Because if you do not have any questions, this is actually the end of your discussion and we will be meeting up again on Friday.
Face to face po yung Friday.
Yes, face-to-face ang Friday. So, please keep in mind yung schedules ninyo kasi doon kayo na oras papasok. Hindi kayo sabay-sabay na papasok, okay? One of the reasons that you are to be divided into two sections is that at least mas less yung agawan din ng you will have more time for your patient assessments in laboratory. And for Friday, we will be discussing din kasi yung patient requirements ninyo. Kasi as I have said dun sa GC natin, first patient ninyo will be on January 31. So we will be discussing your patient cases, your requirements, almost everything that you need to do for your laboratory naman na portion ng clinical contact lens. Okay, so since this one is yung last naman, are there still any more questions with this one?
Wala na po.
Okay, there are no questions. You are dismissed na din. Yes, Eugene.
Doc, sa Friday, anong oras po? At saka saan po akong section papasok po, Doc? Kasi hindi pa po ako nakapag-enroll.
Hindi ka pa nakapag-enroll, di ba?
Opo,
Ang
Doc.
ipa-request mo na lang kay Sir John Ray sa section 1 ka na lang pumasok.
Okay po, Doc. Thank you po.
Kasi na-maximize ng konti dito sa section 2, doon ka na lang sa section 1.
Okay po, Doc. Thank you po.
Okay, sige. Okay, are there any more questions here? So if there are no more questions, you can go na din.
Thank you, Doc. Ingat po.
Thank you, Doc.
Thank you po, Doc.
Thank you po, Doc.